Hi everyone, my name is Anna Mervosh and I'm a sophomore at Wellesley. I use she, her pronouns and I'm a political science and environmental studies double major. So I'm here today to share with you one of my favorite vegetarian recipes. It is a grain bowl, which means you can make it however you want. It's also something that I love at Wellesley. I'm at Bates Salad Bar all the time, and it's something that really brings Wellesley home to me, even when I can't be on campus. I'll be honest, I'm not the best cook. So if I can make this grain bowl, you can make it too, for sure. So we're going to divide our ingredients into 4 different sections. For vegetables, we can cut up some sweet potatoes, carrots, snap peas, and avocado. For protein, we have some black beans and cut up tofu that we're going to cook on the stove top with our dressing to get nice and flavorful. And to top it all off, we're going to make a maple tamari dressing made of soy sauce, rice vinegar, maple syrup, ginger, garlic, and cornstarch. So we're done, so let's assemble. So we have our lettuce, which is now a little bit wilty because this took a while. We have some farro, so we could spoon some farro on top as much as you want. And also the great thing with a grain bowl is that if you don't like a particular ingredient, like I'm not a huge greens fan, I don't put that much in. And then we have some black beans that we cooked in our Instapot. I feel like Maria at Bates now. And then we have some sweet potatoes that were roasted in the oven. And I just put some salt and pepper on them, but you can put other things as well. And then our tofu, which I browned in a pan with some of our sauce to make it a little bit more flavorful. And then we have some peas. And you can cut these up too, or you can leave them solid. I kind of like them whole. And carrots. And then some avocado, which is my favorite. Put that right there. And then some dressing. You can mix it up if it got a little bit separated. As much or as little if you want. And then some toasted sesame seeds on top for a gradient. And there it is. There's our bowl. And she looks gorgeous. Thank you all for joining me today to make a vegetarian meal together. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I hope that this is a nice way to bring Wellesley home with you, to be connected to our community even though we can't be on campus. So let's eat together. Let's cook and let's eat together and have fun.